In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix or set your screen resolution on Steam. It's a straightforward process that should only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're experiencing display issues with games or you simply need to adjust your settings for a better visual experience, I'll guide you through each step with ease. First things first, let's open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon typically located at the bottom of your screen. Once you've got File Explorer open, head on over to this PC. From there, you'll want to click on the Windows C drive. This is where most of your system files and applications are stored. Next, navigate to the Program Files x86 folder. This is an important directory as it contains the files for many applications, including Steam. Now go ahead and find and click on the folder named Steam. Inside the Steam folder, you'll see another folder titled Steam Apps. Give that one a click as well. As we delve further into these directories, the next one we want to open is called Common. Here is where all of your installed games on Steam are typically found. Scroll through the list until you find the game that's giving you trouble. Once you've located it, click on it to open up the games folder. In this folder, you'll see the application file for the game. Right click on it and select Properties from the drop down menu. Head to the Compatibility tab. Here, you'll want to look for the option that says Disable Display Scaling on High DPI Settings and check that box. This can sometimes help with display issues, especially on high resolution monitors. Next, check the box for Run this program as an administrator. This ensures that the game has the necessary permissions to function properly. There's also an option to enable this program to work with OneDrive files. Go ahead and check that too, as it can prevent certain sync issues. Once you've checked all these options, click the Apply button and then hit OK to save your changes. Now, let's move back to the Steam application itself. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Select the game you modified earlier and right click on it. Choose Properties once again. In the General tab, you'll find a section for Launch Options. Here's where you can input a command to set your preferred screen resolution. In the Advanced User field, type W followed by the width and H followed by the height of your desired resolution. For example, to set a resolution of 1920 by 1080, you'd type W 1920 H 1080. And that's it, you've successfully configured your game to run at your chosen screen resolution. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that your gaming experience is all the better for it. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.